Hey everyone, it's Jacob Caldwell from the Caldwell team with Roy LePage, Woolley Realty. Welcome to our newest listing. This is Unit C at 235 Rachel Crescent in Kitchener. This beautiful two-story condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and low monthly fees. My team and I are thrilled to bring this home to the market, so take a look around and enjoy. This home is located in the Huron Park neighborhood of Kitchener and close to amenities, the highway, and it backs out onto green space, making this the perfect property for any young family, young professional, or an investor. For more information about this home or to schedule a private viewing, contact us today.